Hi kiddos, I'm so excited you're with me again to read another story. As you know, we're learning a lot about Earth Day this week. So with that, let's read a story about cleaning up the earth. Can you sign clean up? What about earth? Can you sign earth? So our story is called Clean Up Earth, written and illustrated by Travis Schaefer. Clean up earth. Look at John, he's cleaning up the earth. Can you say, hi, John? I see him putting trash in a bin. I see him out with these in the blue sky. What a good helper John is. I see a plastic bag in the parking lot. Clean it up. Can you touch the plastic bag? I see a bottle on the beach. Clean it up. Look at that bottle sitting on top of the sand. That is not okay. No, thank you. But John's picking it up. He's such a helper. I see a paper plate in the park. Clean it up. Can you touch the paper plate? I see a food wrapper in the woods. Clean it up. Look at John helping. He's picking up the food wrapper. Thank you, John. I see a cereal box on the sidewalk. Clean it up. Can you touch the cereal box? I see a jelly jar in the yard. Clean it up. Look at John helping. He's cleaning up the grape jelly jar. Thanks, John. Clean up earth. Good job reading with me. The end. Stay tuned for some more stories about Earth Day to see how you can help keep our Earth looking beautiful. Thanks for reading.